We are now at the steel plate rolling line. Here, advanced domestic CNC rolling equipment is used to precisely shape high-quality cold-rolled steel plates. As the steel plates slowly pass through multiple sets of rollers, each roller is finely adjusted according to a preset 3D model, ensuring that every steel plate meets the precise dimensions and shapes required by the design. This is the laser cutting workshop. High-precision laser cutting machines, like masterful scalpers, cut the steel plates into various intricate components. They can easily handle complex and variable shapes, laying a solid foundation for the subsequent assembly process. To give the security cabinets a refined appearance and excellent resistance to corrosion and moisture, Guub uses a fully automated intelligent spraying line. Through 8 purification processes, the cabinets are thoroughly and comprehensively cleaned, followed by an intelligent color-changing spraying system, as well as multiple steps such as coating, curing, and strengthening. This ensures that the cabinet surfaces are smooth and delicate, with a premium texture that is both durable and long-lasting. Finally, we arrive at the electronic lock assembly line. Both the locks and the cabinets of Guub security cabinets use in-house brands. This integration ensures that every production step, from the locks to the cabinets, undergoes strict quality control, while independently controllable technology provides more reliable security for government agencies and enterprises. Quality is the lifeline of an enterprise, and it is also the top priority for JD procurement and sales teams. During the production process, Guub has established multiple strict inspection procedures, conducting comprehensive and meticulous testing on every security cabinet. From moisture-proofing, corrosion resistance, and noise reduction to overall quality control, Guub upholds rigorous standards to ensure that each product excels in every aspect, providing consumers with high-quality product assurance. After going through numerous procedures, batches of high-quality security cabinets are finally produced. However, traditional security cabinets, due to their large size, may face certain limitations during storage and delivery. This is especially true when a rapid response to emergencies is required, where delays can occur. To address this issue, Guub has innovatively developed the VF and LF series of foldable security cabinets, featuring ingenious design. JD Procurement strictly selects quality products. We always insist on cooperating with high-quality supply chains, going deep to the source, to provide consumers with safe, reliable, and outstanding products and services. Thank you for watching this episode of JD Procurement's Field Exploration. See you next time.